Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. Before I start my forecast, I would like to invite you for my 2 free workshops which I organize in upcoming week together with a Trade Nation broker. And this time I will not focus on the strategies, but I will cover some topics which are also very important in terms of trading. It's not only about the strategies, but it's also about how to organize your trading correctly and trading mindset. So those topics are important because like I said, it's not always about the trading strategies. Trading strategy is the one part, and the second part is how we approach this trading strategy with what emotions, beliefs, with attitude, and also how we check our performance using this strategy. So, if you want to learn more details about those free workshops, click link below in the description below this YouTube video, or in the upper right corner in this video you will also get link to this website which I'm showing you. This is completely for free, so feel free to sign up, and if you have any questions, just contact me. Okay, so now let's go to indices and the first is DAX. And what we see on the DAX on the weekly chart, that we again, the DAX gains again strong momentum for sales, and we had situation that here we have this support zone. Yes, the lowest point is our support zone, and currently we price is also retesting area of the support here. If I unzoom, you will see this better. But we see that price spiked here. So if we can check if there was something on the spike, and as we see, this is also area of the support. Okay, so we see price retested strong support. So we might to see some reactions or small reactions and continuations where to this support. And if this is broken, another area of the strong support is down here. Okay, so this is what might happen. Resistance is of course up here together with the 36 EMA, but right now price is down here. So we go to daily chart, and we see that daily chart is creating like a double bottom right now, and price is pushing up. So what can happen? We might to get maybe retracement back to the 36 EMA, and then again continuation of sales, and then this is our goal and this support zone. Okay, so now momentum is still for sales, so all buys on the lower time frames are in the retracement. If we pay attention for 4-hour chart, we had last week some opportunities here after breakout of this line, after breakout of this line. Yes, and some of you also took the trades here. Yes, so it was really nice. Now price is breaking 36 EMA, and if we pay attention, if we look for trend line, this is the first line, but it's far away. It will be like a daily trend line, you see. But if you want to find a line on the 4-hour chart, we can just draw this. Okay, so now price is breaking this. So what can happen? Or we will see breakout, and then price of course continue for bigger retracement, or this is still false breakout, and we will get another short 4-hour chart 1 to 3, and price might go again to retest this area of the support. Yeah, so this is our approach right now. So if we want to trade this, if you see on Monday that price is gaining momentum and is staying above this line, then you are okay to look for buy scenarios, definitely. But if you see that price started to struggle, some spikes, and then you have retracement, and price again is below the line and is breaking this trend line here, then you can look for short scenarios and of course try to target the support zone. Yeah, so we have right now 2 opportunities, buys or sells. We know that buy scenario is against main direction, so of course our goal is where? Resistance, which is somewhere around this area together with the 36 EMA. So this is our goal, and then we will see or price bounce and make continuation, or will break and will go up higher to this level. So we go to NASDAQ. NASDAQ weekly chart. We also see that price hit or broke this support zone, broke it, and now it's retracing. Okay, so if we pay attention, we still this is still area of the support. So we see that price already tested this. We have 1, 2, 3. We draw it level a little bit lower, but again, we keep in mind that this is always a zone, always area. So right now we see that price is reacting from this point, so we have our level. Next strong level on of the weekly is down here, and now our price will retrace higher back to the 12 EMA together with this area of the resistance here, or even deeper back to the 36, back to the trend line. It's also possible. But momentum is still for sell, so of course we are more interested to sell. But if we have a retracement to this is the level where price might retrace. If we have breakout, another level is up here. So we go to daily chart, and now we can just adjust the levels of the daily. Yes, we will see that our resistance is more visible here. Now price is on the daily trend line and daily 36 EMA. So what can happen? Of course, ideally we would like to see breakout of this level, then we try to buy, and breakout of this level, and then we try to sell. If we go to 4-hour chart, intraday traders, of course, have different approach a little bit, because you can also trade in this zone here. Yes, how we can trade this? You will need to wait for the retracement back to the 36 EMA, okay, together with this trend line, and then you can try to buy this again. Okay, so this is what you can do if you want to do day trading. Now, 1-hour chart is still pointing up. So if you really like, you can also go to 5-minute chart, for example, and whenever you see that price is still pushing up, you can try to trade this. But ideally, it will be nice to get some retracement. So if you get like a 1-hour chart retracement to the 12 EMA or to the 36, ideally, you can again try to buy this. This is our trend line. Okay, so all retracements are options to buy as an intraday trading combination. Okay, but keep in mind where you are right now. Okay, you are between price already tested 36, so you are in the situation where we might to see also range like previously. Okay, but we don't know. So as long as we see this, all kind of the retracements are options for buy. I mean about 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart, or wait for breakouts here. US 30. So all when we go to weekly chart, and we see that price here also, yes, reached support zone. We have reaction. A reaction might happen where to this area of the resistance together with the 12 EMA. We also have trend line here. Okay, so retracements to these levels and then continuations. Daily chart. We see that, okay, this is our trend line here. Oh, come on. Let me just draw it on the daily. This is our daily trend line with the false breakout. We know that this is weekly resistance. We also have daily trend line here. Okay, so you see in terms of the situation, NASDAQ is a little bit better, because if we go to daily chart, we are already around the nice level. Okay, but here price is pushing up, so we can have retest of this, or still price might go higher. Yes, maybe we'll break the 36 EMA spike here, and then we'll get reaction. So for me, as long as this is holding, we are more focused to sell from long-term perspective. But of course, if we say about the day trading, we go to 4-hour chart, and we will do exactly the same like we have on NASDAQ. So all retracements are our options to go and buy. So 4-hour chart retracement, we buy. 1-hour chart retracement, we also buy. Okay, and here we have, like I said, more space for this up move than on NASDAQ. Yeah, but generally we are also close to the 36. So we will see if 36 acts as a resistance, as active resistance. Maybe price will just, spike around the 36, and then we will have retracement. Yes, it's also possible. Yes, so we will see. We will see. Now we go to US 500. Of course, more or less the same like we know, but you see we have some small differences between all of them. Especially it's visible on the weekly and on the daily. So if we go to US 500, support area was reached. Next area of the support might be here. Yes, the strong one. Trend line is here. Now price is retracing. A strong area of the resistance of the weekly chart is up here. So retracement to this level, then bounce continuations, or of course smaller retracements on the daily to the daily levels. And daily level is here. Okay, so it's like it will be similar to Dow Jones. Yes. So you see, we can wait for breakout here. Then we take long, target this. Breakout of this, we try to sell a target of the support and the next support. And of course, intraday traders, like on others indices, yes, retracement, you buy. Okay, so if you get retracement back to the 36 EMA, you buy. If you go to 1 hour chart, all kind of the retracement, yeah, so even retracement to 12 EMA if you like. But if you don't like, wait for bigger, a little bit deeper to the 36. If we have reaction, we buy. Okay, so this is for intraday trading. So right now, momentum is for buys. Nikkei. What we have here, it seems that our range might be formed. Okay, it's start visible. So what we have on the weekly, it's still short. Yes, it's still short, but there is no continuation right now. As you see here, we had this sign that price might go down. Okay, we have like a 1 to 3 together with this trend line, so everything was pointing to go short, but right now price is going up again. Okay, so something might be not okay in terms of going down. Okay, but weekly chart is still pointing down. However, right now we don't have clear situation anymore here. Okay, because price is pushing up and we don't have like a lower lows anymore. We still have a little bit lower highs, but we don't have lower lows. So we go to daily chart, and right now what we start to see this maybe possible range. Okay. So what can happen if this is range? Yes, if this is beginning of the range, price will go, yes, probably to retest this area. But we are right now on the profit zone, which is the 36 EMA, together with the resistance area, as this is a resistance zone. So what we can also have, another possible, maybe price will stop here, yes, stop here, and then we can have breakout. And if we have this, you can still try to sell this and target this support zone. Okay, and then we will see if price breaks, we will get another area of the support here. If price bounce, then of course we can look for buy entries and target resistance here. And then if this is broken, we have another resistance up here. Okay, so this is what we have right now on Nikkei. We can just draw this support zone just to have this level. This one we can delete. Right now we don't need this. And also here we see that the momentum is to buy, so similar to US, yes, indices. Retracement, we buy, but this is your target. Okay, if price of course breaks this, yes, all retracement are options for buys. Okay, so if we go to 1 hour chart, probably it will be the same. Yeah, so more or less same momentum, retracement, we buy, target this level. If price breaks, of course, this trend line, you start to sell it and you target this. So keep in mind that this might be range, but we will see. Yes, right now it's not yet confirmed, but it starts to be visible. Yeah, and the last is Aussie index. We see that price broke our support, went to the another one, stopped a little bit, and went even lower. So probably to the next one. No, didn't reach the next one, which we draw here. But if you pay attention, this is also area of the support. I just draw it lower level because I focus more on this area here. But if we see this zone price, there is also, if we check those spikes here, and if we go back a little bit, we will see that this is also a strong area. Yeah, previous tops, breakout, retest, continuation. So we have this. So we can delete this one. So it went down. Okay, it went down. So momentum, of course, looks for sell. So let's go to lower time frames to see a little bit details there. And we have trend line, and now it starts to retrace. So ideally, of course, you want to see retracements where back to the 36 EMA and back to this trend line. And then, of course, we try to sell. And here you can, of course, use the swing trading to sell this. There is also resistance zone. So this is really quite, this is really good level for reactions. If we have breakouts, then, of course, price might go up, and then area of the resistance is up here, and then of course next one is here. Okay, but right now it's too early to say about this. Right now we have to focus on that. So for our chart, this is our line. Price is above the 4-hour chart, 36 EMA. So what we can do, trades against main direction in the retracement. Okay, so retracement, we look for buy scenarios. Our chart exactly the same, all kind of the retracement. You try to buy this, of course, target this zone. Okay, so this is nice and easy. And of course, whenever price breaks this this trend line here, you are most welcome to sell this. Okay. For now, our line looks like this. We will see later on, because maybe if we get a little bit stronger momentum, small retracement, yes, maybe price will, do something different. Maybe we will be able to draw this trend line. Yes, so then we will say, okay, if this trend line is broken, we try to sell, and then we target this trend line. Yeah, so it's all depends what kind of the angle we will have later on. For now, it looks like this. Okay. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this forecast. Again, I would like to invite you for those 2 free workshops next week. Below this video in the description, you will find direct link to this website where you find more details about these workshops. And also up right corner in this video, you'll get direct link here. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And yeah, so basically that's all. Wish you all great week and great Sunday, and hear you on Tuesday. Bye.